animals that start with the letter A?
Yes, Mia, I know lots of them. Look, an anteater.
Whoa, it's so cute!
And up there, a colorful macaw.
Wow, it starts with A too!
Ant is tiny, work, work, work. Aardvark digging in the dirt. Alligator splash and swim. Alpaca soft, hug him, hug him. A, animals play. Learning letter A today. A, shout and say. Letter A, animals.
This is
Hooray!
letter A. Letter A is for Arctic fox. This is letter A. Letter A is for anteater. This is letter A. Letter A is for ant. This is letter A. Letter A is for aardvark. This is letter A. Letter A is for alpaca. This is letter A. Letter A is for antelope. This is letter A. Letter A is for Arctic fox.